Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix verification required on DoorDash with some quick and simple steps. If you're stuck on this message, first make sure your account details are correct, including your phone number and email address. Next, check for any verification code sent to your phone or email and enter it properly without delay. After that, ensure your internet connection is stable because a weak connection can interrupt the verification process. Now, close the DoorDash app and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Also, update the app to the latest version from the App Store, as outdated apps can cause verification issues. If you're asked to upload documents, make sure they are clear and readable without blur. Finally, if the problem still continues, contact DoorDash support for help, and your verification issue should be resolved successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.